Every child's learning journey starts with the basics, and those early steps can shape their confidence for years to come. That's why My First Learn-to-Write Workbook by Crystal Radke has become a best-selling favorite for parents and educators who want to give kids the best start possible. This fun and interactive guide is designed to help preschoolers and kindergartners master pen control, letter recognition, numbers, shapes, and early reading comprehension, all through hands-on, engaging exercises. With more than 75 practice pages, children will trace lines, connect dots, and complete simple writing tasks that develop fine motor skills while building the foundation for strong penmanship and literacy. But this isn't just about repetition. Every page is filled with playful illustrations and slightly silly images that spark imagination, keep kids curious, and make learning fun. That balance of structure and creativity ensures children stay motivated, practice consistently, and begin to see real progress. Comprehensive skill-building activities help your child strengthen early reading comprehension, learn the alphabet, and gain the confidence they need to thrive in school. Whether at home or in the classroom, this workbook is a tool that grows with your child, preparing them not just for kindergarten, but for lifelong learning success. If you are ready to set your child up for success with a proven, engaging, and fun approach to handwriting and early learning, don't stop here. Experience the full audiobook today, where you'll discover everything you need to guide your child step by step.